this purple here, and well, I got an Xbox One S for Christmas. I forgot to do an unboxing video, so I'll do the controller unboxing video. Yay! So I started playing around with it. It came with one controller, and my 360 controllers, they were all cord. They had cords. Well, there's no cord ports. So just get this. I keep holding the camera with my dominant hand. I don't know why. Come on, right. Get this stupid box open. This is sealed so tightly. Totally. Anyways, just put this down for a second. I don't want to cut myself. Just push. Push. Okay, it's not working. Wait. But I did it. Okay. I got that far. What am I doing with such a nice controller outside? I don't know. I just loud in my house. With the dogs and people calling people. It's loud. So, just finish cutting this right here. Come on. There. That's why I don't do unboxing videos. I suck at unboxing. And just get this. Ooh, it comes with batteries. I don't know what remote doesn't come with batteries, but yay. I don't need to go to the store because I forgot to get batteries. Yay. This is like the first vlog I've done that's not smashing something. Yay. If you want to see more unboxing videos like this, then tell me, because I enjoy them. I enjoy opening things. Anyways, let's see what we got. There's a, is this a manual? No, it tells you how to use it. Why is, it tells me how to use a controller. Why would you need to know how to use this? It's so basic. Anyways, instructions manual. I got this in my Xbox thing, and licensing and agreement things in a different language. Anyways, guys, does it say anything on the back? I don't want to damage this remote. It's not the Elite. It's a normal. I just got it from Target. It's a normal controller. Not exciting. Let's see. It's wireless. Yay. Also, if you speak different languages, here you go. Anyways, guys, that's all for this time. I don't have anything else to show you. So, I'll see you guys next time. Also, leave in the comments below, do you want more unboxing videos? Because I can make more. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye!